morning children to again back to third standard lesson number 1 red sloppity leaves. So what happened the last class? Anybody tell me what happened the last class? So see, the Victor is a young boy. Victor riding a bike and lost his way. It began to rain and he get wet. It began to rain and he gets wet. He saw a dingy big red house and take sheltered it to protect himself from the rain. So this is what happened behind in the class. Now I will start the next line. See what was now. Okay. So dear students, open your textbook and where today I will start. See. Just then he heard a voice call out, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers?" Next to the door was a large green hairy monster with huge red lips, pointed fangs and gangly legs and arms with very long green fingernails. Victor panicked and ran down the hall and monster followed. See students, when closed the door and he could hear the sound. What is the sound? Do you know what he do? And see, do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers? So see, fingers. Victor could hear on the door was sound. Next to the door was a long green hairy monster. Monster means the ugly creature. So write down. Monster means ugly creature. So this is the monster. See your reader. This is the monster. He had a green hair monster. Complete his body is full green and huge red lips. See this. See this picture students. Huge red lips and pointed fangs. What is the fangs? What is the fangs? See there. Fangs are two sharp teeth in front of the mouth. Two sharp. See this. This have no full sharp teeth in front of the mouth. He had a very green fingers. He had a very green fingernails and gangly legs. So when Victor saw, he got panic and he started running in the hall. The Victor is full panic and ran down the hall, running down the hall. The monster is following him. Next, again he heard a monster say, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers?" As he followed him down the hall, Victor ran up some stairs in the end of hall and the monster followed him. Again monster is, see this is picture. Again he heard the monster says, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers?" He followed him down the hall. Monster is followed him. See this picture. Again Victor is as Victor is started running. Where the Victor is going, monster also followed him. Where are the Victor is going, monster also following him. And it was same words. Saying, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips? Do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers?" So again monster is saying, "Where does try to move out and escape from this here monster." So next, the monster was getting close and Victor heard the monster say louder, Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers? Victor ran away from the monster down the hall at the top of the stairs and into a room at the end of the hall, closing the door behind him. So next, what happened? What did Victor do as he knew that the monster was following him? Victor ran down the hall and he shut the door. But he heard loud footsteps coming down the hall, and he had run into a room which had neither window nor another door. So he hid in a big cupboard in the room. See. So he went to the room. He could see there is no wind. So what did Victor see? He saw a big cupboard. See this picture. He saw a big cupboard and tried to himself inside the cupboard. Inside the cupboard. See this. This is the cupboard. The Victor is found in the door and he tried to fit himself in the cupboard. See this picture. Do you understand now this? See. Next, what happened? The room door creaked open. Again he heard the monster say even door. Again monster is saying same word. Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers? The frightened boy tucked himself into a corner of the cupboard and hid as best as he could. The cupboard door opened and a huge hairy monster stood before him. So what he did do? Again he door opened. The monster could not get inside and he could hear the monster say could even louder. So as knew that the monster was coming to him, what did Victor do? Victor tried to get himself and fitness. See. Again, so Lord, that is hurt Victor ears. He is hurt to Victor ears. The monster once again said. Again. The monster is saying, do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers? So Victor is very shocked. So as he replied with fear, no. The monster said, then I will show you. The monster is sure, then I will show. Blah, 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 blah. It means blah, blah, blah. What is the blah, blah means? See, finger. Put the fingers to the monster lips and stamp them. Cross the lips will make a sound blah, blah, blah. See this picture. This looking picture you see first. So put the fingers with your lips and stamp with cross your lips will you make a blah, 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 blah sound. Okay. Do you understand, dear students, this story? Do you understand? Okay.